Are you looking for the best makeup removers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best makeup removers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 7, we have the Pharmacy Natural Makeup Remover. This makeup remover is made from natural sources that will be able to clean your face thoroughly and give it a healthy glow. It is safe for all skin types and doesn't contain any toxic substances that might be harmful for your skin. It will work perfectly to remove makeup and dirt from every inch of your face gently and will leave your skin soft and hydrated. It will get rid of all the dead skins and prevent your skin from dryness, which will allow you to have a healthy-looking skin. This makeup remover balm comes in set with a spatula that will be pretty easy for you to scoop it. It's quite easy to use, all you need to do is scoop it with a spatula and put it on your fingers, then rub and massage it all over your face gently and thoroughly. At number 6, we have the Body Shop Chamomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter. Body Shop Cleansing Butter is ideal for getting rid of all makeup, dirt, and oil on your skin. It leaves your skin with a clean and fresh feel. It is available in the form of a balm and comes in a luxurious container. Your skin also benefits from the nourishment that this product provides. You can use it on your sensitive skin without experiencing any stinging and irritation. Contact lens wearers can also use this cleansing butter without interfering with the lens or their eyesight. Its ingredients are organic, thus safe on your skin and the environment. It is also chemical-free and does not, therefore, cause you any adverse health effects. This cleanser enables you to get rid of dirt, grease, and makeup on your skin in a luxurious way. You can use it to remove all types of makeup from your skin. It does not cause your skin any irritation and leaves you feeling fresh, and it's usable on sensitive skin without causing it any irritation or harm. It is also ideal for contact wearers. Its ingredients are natural and safe for your health and to the environment. At number 5, we have the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. Clinique Makeup Remover is suitable for removing makeup around your eyes and lips. It works on your makeup quickly and is easy to use, and it's available in a 125 ml bottle that lasts for long. It moisturizes the skin and keeps it safe from cracking and irritation. The product further dissolves all makeup, including the waterproof ones. You do not, therefore, need to buy different removers for your different makeup. It is also non-stinging, thus comfortable to use and tender to your skin. Parabens, sulfates, and phthalate are not among the contents of this product. Contact wearers do not need to worry about interfering with the lens or their eyesight when using this product. You achieve a moisturized skin that does not easily crack when you use this makeup remover. You also get to enjoy quick makeup removal while using a product with safe ingredients. The ingredients are safe for your health and to the environment. This product also embraces contact lens wearers who can comfortably use it. It has a potent formula that removes all types of dirt and makeup from your skin. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rose Cleansing Balm Makeup Remover. Rose Cleansing Makeup Remover is available in the form of a balm. This balm emulsifies with water quickly to form a potent cream that effectively washes off all your makeup. It comes from plant extracts that help ensure that your skin retains its moisture. The extracts include rose, manuka honey and oils from the coconut and sunflower plants. All its ingredients are organic, making it safe for your health and tender to the environment. You also acquire a double cleansing from using this product. It serves you as an excellent face wash and a pre-cleansing starter. The unique formula that makes this product works on all skin types effectively. It also retains your skin's hydration, ensuring that it remains moisturized. Once you use this makeup remover on your skin, it leaves no film or greasy residue. You also achieve soft skin after using this product. Being a USA product, this remover is cruelty-free, satisfying the state's standards. It also has a GMP certification, further emphasizing on its safety. All people with all skin types can use this product, and it works effectively on all. The product also moisturizes your skin, keeping it supple and prevents cracking. It contains organic ingredients that are safe for your health and helps conserve the environment. The product is high quality and has a GMP certification. At number 3, we have the Albolene Moisturizing Makeup Remover. Albolene Makeup Remover is a potent formula that cleans makeup irritant-free. It also leaves your skin soft and retains its hydration for a long time. This product is better than its competitions due to its potent formula. You should use the product consistently to achieve healthy skin. Daily use helps your skin retain its suppleness and prevents it from damage. You can quickly get rid of all the dirt on the skin as well as environmental residue. The ingredients that make this product are natural. They are also free from paraben and additives, ensuring that you keep your skin and the environment safe. The product is also fragrance-free, making it more comfortable to use. Use this makeup remover to achieve a younger-looking skin and complexion. Its cost-effectiveness makes it accessible to all people across all economic classes. Choose the Albolene Makeup Remover if you are looking for a highly effective product. It helps you to achieve younger-looking and supple skin. Using this remover consistently also helps make your skin vibrant and healthy. You will find this product at the stores at a low price. Thus, you save money and benefit from the product's high effectiveness too. At number 2, we have the Original Makeup Eraser. The Original Makeup Eraser is a towel-like makeup remover. It contains multiple hair-like fibers that appear to be straight inside this towel. When wet, these fibers work together to remove all makeup and dirt on your skin pores. This towel has a soft structure, which does not harm the skin. It contains no chemicals and is thus very safe on your skin. All you need to get rid of makeup and dirt using this product is clean water. The product is, therefore, easy and convenient to use. This product is also usable more than once, thus saving you the money you would need to replace it. This makeup remover has a unique design and only requires water to remove all makeup and dirt on your skin. You can also use it more than once, hence saving you money. It contains no chemicals and is thus safe to your health and the environment. And finally at number 1, we have the Bioderma Sensibio Makeup Removing Solution. Bioderma Sensibio Makeup Removing Solution is a dermatological micellar that effectively gets rid of all makeup on your skin. It contains unique micelles that resemble the natural composition of your skin. The product also features an active ingredient that captures all the dirt and oil in your skin pores. It, therefore, thoroughly cleans your skin and makes it comfortable. You do not need to worry about safety as this product contains natural and safe ingredients. These ingredients are also eco-friendly. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.